Alright, so we've done our tool, two tool paths. So we've got our 2D adaptive and we have our contour. So now what we need to do is we need to export this into something that our CNC machine is going to understand, and we call that operation post-processing. So what we have to do is we go up into this section here and we create a NC program. And we click on that and you'll have this window pop up. And we click on this operations tab just to make sure that it's included the two toolpaths that we want to send to the CNC machine. And then we go back to our settings and then we go through this. So this bit here, we have a range of machines that we can choose essentially, and for our CNC router we're going to choose our Onefinity Masso. If these don't show up, what you can do is you can jump onto this section here, which is choose library, and we can select this one here and go select, and if that doesn't show up again, we can go up and on the left hand side we just make sure we select cloud, then the Onefinity Masso, and then we select this one here is our file name. We can call that 101 Mike's seat, and it's important to give it a file name, so when we've got them on the USB we know which one is ours. We must select this folder, choose the location to download it. Make sure you don't leave it as default. You got to actually select somewhere to store it. We don't need to worry about any settings over here. And then what we do is we click on this post button. And we should get a notification saying it has successfully been posted. And you might get a little error in here. And that's just our offset. It doesn't matter at this point. But if you wanted to clear that, what we could do is we can go into right click onto our setup and go edit. We can go into our post process and we can click our offset as 1. And whenever you see this symbol here, a little circle with an arrow, what that means is it needs to refresh. So sometimes you might see it down here, in which case you'd go right click on the setup and go generate, and it would refresh it. So in this one here I want to repost that because I made a change, and right click and I go edit, and I can just go post again, and yes, I want to overwrite the file, and then I've got this here, and there I've got no error, and that's it. So what we'll do from here is navigate to wherever you saved it and put that file onto a USB, and you can take it to the machine and cut it out. Nice work.